everybody and welcome. I'll show you on a small swatch how to make this stitch. I'm going to use 3mm crochet hook, and down below in the description I'll put information about the yarn. Of course you can use whatever yarn and hook you want. Depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 8 plus 7 additional chains. For this swatch I'm going to chain 24 plus 7 chains, which makes total of 31 chains. So let's begin making our chains. Now that we have our chains, it's time to start with row 1. We have to make one single crochet in each chain, starting from the second chain from the hook. Okay, row 1 is ready. Now for row 2, chain 1 and turn, and we have to make again one single crochet in each stitch, starting from the very first stitch right here. We don't count the chain 1 here as a stitch. At the end of row 2, we have to switch to the next color. Okay, like this. Then for row 3, chain 1 and turn. Row 3 is again the same. We have to make one single crochet in each stitch. Row 4, chain 1 and turn. Row 4, 5 and 6 are the same. We have to make one single crochet in each stitch. Go ahead and make them, and I'll wait for you at the end of row 6, where we have to change again the color. Okay, I'm at the end of row 6. Let's finish it together. Before we finish the last single crochet, we have to change to blue again. I'm just going to grab it from here and bring it up. If you don't like this way, you can cut it and start with new yarn. So this is how it's looking so far. Now let's start row 7, chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochets at the beginning, 1 and 2. Now the next stitch we are going to make is a double treble crochet. I'm going to show you how to make it. First I want to show you where you have to make it. Here is our second row, or the last row we made with blue. Here's the first stitch, the second stitch, the third stitch. We're going to work around this stitch right here. So yarn over 3 times, then go behind this stitch here like this, take the yarn and pull up. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops like this. Now we're going to make another double treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times, we're going around the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops until there's no more loops left. Okay, so one little tip, these stitches tend to get a little bit looser than the others, so when you make them, just try to keep your thumb on the first loop right here all the time. This way you can keep it more tight and prevent getting these stitches to loose. So this is how it looks so far. Then on the back we're going to skip these 2 stitches right here, and we're going to make 1 single crochet in the next, like this. After this single crochet we have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we are making again 2 double treble crochet here. Now, how to find where to make our next double treble crochet? Here we have 6 single crochets, so we have to skip 6 single crochets on the row below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 7th stitch here we're going to make our next double treble crochet the same way. Yarn over 3 times, go into the stitch, go around the stitch and start making our double treble crochet. So like I said, try to keep your thumb on this loop here, so this way we can keep it a little bit tighter. Like this, and then one more around the next stitch. Like this. Now we have to skip these 2 stitches on the back, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 5 more. And now again it's time for the 2 double treble crochet. We have to skip 6 stitches here and then make the next double treble crochet. Okay, make this part and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. So when you reach the end of the row and you make your last group of double treble crochets, you should have left here is 4 stitches. As usual, we're going to skip these 2 and we have to make 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. This is row 7. Now row 8, 9 and 10 are the same as these rows here. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Chain 1, let's turn. We're going to work in each stitch, making 1 single crochet, including these stitches here that they come from the 2 double treble crochet. We work in them, not in the ones we skipped. Like this, and then we move on to the next stitches. Okay, make these rows like I said. This is row 8, row 9 and 10 are the same, and I'll wait for you at the end of row 10 to continue. I'm at the end of row 10. This is how it's looking so far. Let's finish it. I have a couple of stitches left. So on the last stitch, last single crochet, we have to change again the yarn. I'm just going to grab it from below. Like I said, if you don't like this way, you can just cut it and start with new yarn. So for row 11, chain 1 and turn, and we're going to make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we need to do right now is to make 2 double treble crochets in the middle of this area right here. So we need to work in the middle stitches. We're going to work in this row here. This is row 6. Yarn over 3 times. Here we have 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to skip the first 2 stitches, and we're going to work around the 3rd and the 4th stitch. So we're going around behind this stitch to make our first double treble crochet. Okay, and the next one is around the next stitch. Okay, like this. Turning back, we have to skip these 2 stitches, and we have to make 6 single crochet in the next stitches. So skipping these 2, we're going to work in this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like this. Yarn over 3 times, skip 1, 2 in the 3rd and in the 4th stitch. We're going to make again 2 double treble crochet. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Again, we have to skip 2 stitches from behind and make 6 single in the next stitches. At the end, finish the row with 6 single crochet. I have one made here. I have 5 more to make. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is how it's looking so far. Row 12, chain 1 and turn. Row 12 is again row with single crochet all in all stitches. Let's start 1, 2, 3. We have to make single crochet in each stitch. You have to work in these stitches here, not in the skipped ones. So this is row 12. Row 13 and 14 are the same, 1 single crochet in each stitch. I'll wait for you at the end of row 14. At the end of row 14 we have to change the yarn back to blue. Again, I'm just going to grab it from below, like this. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. From here, chain 1 and turn. And you have to make 2 single crochet at the beginning. This row is absolutely the same as row 7. Here we have the 2 single crochet, the same as here, and now we have to make the 2 double treble crochet in the 3rd and 4th stitch right here. From now on the rows are repeating themselves. You have to repeat rows 7 to 14 over and over again until you reach the desired length. Okay guys, this is the stitch. I hope you find this video useful. Let me know down in the comments what stitches you like to crochet. Do you enjoy more simple stitches with 1 or 2 rows repeats, or you want something more challenging, more complex? Yeah, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!